How to unpin someone on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can unpin someone on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to unpin someone on Snapchat, depends on what you have pinned them. If you have pinned their shortcut on the home screen, or if you have pinned their chats at the top of your feed, or if you have pinned them if you have got premium as in number 1 BFF. Depending on what you have pinned them for, open the Snapchat application here and then just tap the chats icon to come to the DMs page here. And as you can see, I have pinned a particular person. You'll find the pin like icon right next to the name. Just long press on it here and then you'll find the option called chat settings, and you'll find the option called unpin conversation. And when you tap on unpin conversation, that chat will not be pinned on your chat feed any longer. This way you can unpin someone on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.